So we make rearranging formula, we're making something else the subject. So in the first one here, we've got I equals PRT divided by 100, and we're making R the subject. So always circle what you're trying to isolate. Now, the main thing here is that everything's been divided by 100, so we're going to multiply by 100 over the other side. So we're going to take the I and multiply it by 100. Left with PRT on that side. Again, we're still looking for R. So R is multiplied by P and by T. So to get rid of it, we just divide. So we've got 100 over times I, sorry. And we just divide by P and T. And that equals to R. And we've made R the subject. We want a R equals. So the second one here is slightly harder. We want S the subject. Okay, so use like the opposite of bedmess. So get rid of any adding, subtracting first. In the first one, there was none of that. It was just dividing and multiplying. So first thing we do is to get rid of the u squared here, we're going to subtract it. And we're left with 2as on that side. Okay, we want s the subject. So what we're going to do, that's multiplied by both of those. So all you do to get s the subject, you just divide by. You can divide just by it all at the same time. So we're going to divide by 2 and a. And there's what s equals. And that's how you rearrange formula.